Hi guys. So this is Jervin and I have something to share to you today. Earlier, I was trying to buy some kind of fruit bearing trees, some seedlings. There's one more. He showed me this pill. This little pill looked like a coffee fruit. I don't know. This little, it's like a capsule. Yeah. So that's how it looks like. And they call it the miracle fruit. Again, to cut the story short, ayun na nga. So I bought that one plant. It looks like. So I'll show it to you. Maybe this big, pero meron na siyang bunga. So maybe try this one and see how it will taste after you try a calamansi. Just like this one, calamansi. At first, I was really hesitant. So I'm really curious how it would taste. You know how a calamansi would taste like, right? So this one is very sour. It's a sour fruit. But I wanna share some story about this one. So just a little research. This is a magic berry, also called like miracle, magic berry, miracle fruit, miraculous fruit. It's from Western Africa. This is not native in the Philippines, so from Africa. But I don't know how we were able to get this. So maybe someone brought it to the Philippines. I had some research, and it was actually discovered in 1725, around 18th century, by a native African. The scientific name is called, says it's very hard to pronounce, but it's Sencepalum dulcificum. Dulcificum. It has a content called glycoprotein molecule and some carbs, or the carbohydrate, which is called miraculin. Maybe that's why it's called miracle fruit or miracle berry, because of the miraculin. While miraculin, they call it taste modifier. You're getting where I'm going, right? So from sour to sweet. Typically, it will turn sour fruits or sour anything that tastes sour, mostly acid. I'll show you later. Like this one. This is an acid, or silver swan sukang puti here in the Philippines. Good for paksiw na bangus. This fruit will turn that vinegar into a sweet one. This is not illegal. This fruit is not illegal. So we're gonna do some experiments. So I prepared a couple of acidic and really sour fruits, and we're gonna test how this miracle fruit will turn this sour